Hello and welcome to another update video on Solana. The Solana pullback is finally unfolding. We get a bit of a pullback here and finally are getting closer to this wave 4 support area. This should give us some structure that we need in the chart because the move to the upside was characterized really by very, very shallow pullbacks only. A lot of people were waiting here for a correction. And now the pullback is, as always, in the crypto sector, quite sharp when it happens. Not as always, but it's been like that this cycle quite frequently. Now, I have to say, again, structurally no change. Yeah, the third wave likely topped, and we're now likely in the fourth wave. But there are a few levels now that matter. Okay, so the first zone that really matters is between $160 and $176. That's kind of the main support area we discussed in previous videos. Now we're approaching it. And the thing is, the move down so far really looks very sharp, obviously, right? So it looks very impulsive, which means this is likely only the A wave of the wave 4 correction that we're tracking here. Likely just the A wave. And it does really look like a 5-wave decline. So that means the next move up could be a B wave. I'm following the same structure on the Ethereum chart, just that Ethereum formed a 3-wave move down so far, not 5. And once we have a local low in place in this A wave, yeah, as I said, we can start the B wave bounce. And then hopefully a C wave decline could complete the structure in 3 waves. You see here on the chart the $176 level. That's the 38.2 retrace level. And that's an ideal target normally for a fourth wave. So we're approaching that right now. The price could easily go a little bit lower because in any fourth wave, the market can easily test the 50% or the 61.8 retracement. That's common. The third wave was overextended. You know that as well. We talked about it many times. And so a pullback, yeah, from when the market is overheated, yeah, in a third of a third wave or a third wave, typically you would expect the fourth wave pullback. But that doesn't mean that the whole structure breaks. It's part of the structure. Now, in any 5-wave move up, there should be a fourth wave pullback at some point. And this is also a stress test for the bulls, right? Because as long as we're holding support, $160, everything is fine. Below that level, and things are going to get a little bit ugly. Below that level, and things are going to get a little bit ugly. Yeah? And what does it mean? It means that it would not be anymore, hold on, it would likely not be anymore this yellow scenario to the upside, but it could be, but probabilities start to shift below $160. What does it mean, probabilities start to shift? It means that we're likely moving into a different structure. For example, the white scenario in which we could be working still on this wave 2 correction that potentially bottomed in June. But you see, it might be that this was just a high B wave. It's a 3-wave move up. So if we get 3 waves up and we hold support, we can watch for 5 waves. If we break support, it's a 3-wave top. And the risk then is that we might test these lows from June once more, maybe around $130. So that is what we're tracking here right now. For now, I'm tracking a local downtrend as part of a larger uptrend. But because the move down is 5 waves, it's likely only the first leg of the correction. The bounce should reach this area between $192.67 and $201.50. So that's what we're watching for. Bounce could happen soon. We might go a little lower. I mean, if it extends further, there's some structural support likely in this region around $179. That's the update on Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in the membership, check out our channel page. There's a 2-minute video that explains what the membership is about. You get access to our member updates. Casper was covered today. Say was done yesterday. Gala, Polygon. You get access to our member live streams. Every Sunday we run a member live stream. You get access to additional updates on Discord if you're a gold member, including some stocks, gold and silver metals updates as well. cryptocurrencies updates. You get access to over 100 altcoin charts, live charts, on Discord as a gold member. So check it out if you're interested. Quick warning. I do that more frequently these days because the market is getting interesting. There are scammers everywhere, okay? So be extremely careful. We would never send you a direct message on social media, whether that's on X, Instagram, or anywhere else, including Discord, and ask you for funds to invest for you or for you to join a copy trading platform or something. We don't do that. If anybody does that, even with our logo, it's a scammer, impersonator. They're everywhere. They impersonate all brands. So it's or influencers or creators. It's just very common, not only in the finance space, but here it really hurts. That's the problem. Okay, that's the update. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.